Everybody, today I am here with IEOSOF International Olympiad. The first question for class 4 is number 1. I built bridges. I am a plumber, engineer, carpenter. So I am an engineer. Choose the odd one. Sandal, shoes, scarves. So it will be scarves. Then we have given below three sentences. One of them is incorrect. Find the incorrect sentence. Tina is watching television. I lost my pen yesterday. I like playing football. So this is the wrong answer because here second form will be there, lost. Choose the odd one. Doctor, stethoscope, carpenter, hammer, Mason, Caesar. So it will be yes, Mason, Caesars. Complete each word using the letters from the box. When the boy whistled, the dog dash willingly let go of the bone. Unwillingly, unwillingly, or unwillingly. It will be unwillingly. 68 question. Fill in the blanks. Choose the right answer and always dash a lot of mistake when she speaks English. Always है तो it will be makes. Dash of the girls in the class did not want to play football. Little, much, some. So it will be little of the girl in the class did not want, much of the, so it will be some of the girls in the class did not want to play football. I am looking forward to. Now the next is I complete the sentences with the correct spelling in the word. My brother traveled to South Korea recently. He liked visiting dash country. He liked visiting foreign country. What is the spelling of foreign country? It will be the C will be the right answer. Then we have reading part. So redwoods are among 10 to 11 questions. They will be from these lines. Redwoods are among the world tallest trees. They grew 200 to 300 feet high. The wood when cut remained remarkably free from the decay caused by weather and insect. So it is used to build houses and even the outdoor furniture. So number 1, 10th question, A part. No tree is taller than redwood. Redwood tree grow tall. Trees grow tall over the world. So it will be no tree is taller than redwood tree because redwood trees are the world's tallest tree. Redwood tree can be easily destroyed by insect. Redwood tree decay easily. Redwood trees are suitable for making long lasting park bench. So it will be the wood when cut remain remarkably free from decay. So it will be red tree. Then we have, so it is used to build houses and the outdoor furniture. So this will be the right answer, that redwood trees are suitable for making long lasting park benches because they are decay free. Question number 12 and 13. Read the paragraph and choose the correct answer. Many people believe that a house is not a home without a pet. Pets provide companionship and can be born to people, especially children. Pet will be there for you through thick and thin. Moreover, caring a pet means you important lesson, taking responsibility, sharing your time and caring for another living creature. So pet can be a boon to people because they can be good friend. They teach children to be responsible. They will look after the children. So क्या आएगा, they are good companion. So पहला आंसर आएगा, they can be good friend. Through thick and thin, what does it mean? Means through difficulties, when you are happy, or in good or bad time. So it will be in good or bad time. Choose the right answer. When does the train for Baroda leave? Official. Maybe in a week or so. In an hour from the platform number 5. Just turn around and walk to the end of road. Which will be the right answer? When does the train for Baroda leave? So it will be in an hour from the platform number 5. So next question is question number 15. Sentence 1 is given. Sentence 2 is not. Choose the right option for sentence 2. A biography is written by a person about the life and activities of another person. So sentence 2. whereas an autobiography is written by the person about his own life. Gandhi ji wrote an autobiography with my experience with truth. Then people write autobiographies about their own life. So ये आएगा whereas an autobiography is written by the person about its own life. So my dear friends, this is the sample answer sheet. You have to fill your name, your father's name, school code, then gender, correct के लिए आपको पूरा सर्कल करना है, क्लास, रोल नंबर. So these things you have to fill with the pencil or a ballpoint pen, right? The answer which discussed they are here. You can match the answers also. I hope you are clear with this. All the best for your exam. Thank you so much.